Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that is essential in construction and renovation projects, plaster and mesh plastering. Plastering is the process of applying a smooth and durable layer of material, known as plaster, onto walls and ceilings. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a space but also provides protection and durability. Whether you're building a new house or renovating an existing one, plastering is a crucial step that shouldn't be overlooked. Now let's dive into the world of mesh plastering. Mesh plastering, also known as mesh lath or mesh tape plastering, involves using a mesh material to reinforce the plaster. This technique ensures that the plaster adheres securely to the surface, preventing cracks and ensuring longevity. Mesh plastering offers several advantages. Firstly, it provides excellent crack resistance. The mesh acts as a reinforcement, distributing stress across a wider area and minimizing the chances of cracks appearing on the surface. This is especially important in high traffic areas or regions prone to seismic activity. Secondly, mesh plastering allows for flexibility. The mesh material is highly flexible, making it easier to apply on curved or irregular surfaces. It ensures a smooth and seamless finish even on challenging areas. Another benefit of mesh plastering is its time-saving nature. The mesh acts as a guide for the plaster application, making it quicker and more efficient. It eliminates the need for multiple layers of plaster, reducing both labor and material costs. When it comes to choosing the right type of mesh for your project, there are various options available. Fiberglass mesh is commonly used due to its high strength and resistance to alkali in the plaster. Self-adhesive mesh is also popular as it eliminates the need for additional adhesives. In conclusion, plastering and mesh plastering are crucial elements in construction and renovation projects. They provide not only aesthetic appeal but also durability and protection. So, whether you're a dye enthusiast or a professional contractor, make sure to consider plastering and mesh plastering for your next project. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.